What's up YouTube, welcome again to Noob Android. Today we're gonna be looking at a short tutorial on how to restore your fucking snap streaks if they have disappeared somehow. It's you or your friend who made it disappear. So let's get into this video. So first of all, go in your settings of your Snapchat, of course. There you'll see an option of I need help. Just look at that and follow the video. You'll find an option of snap streaks. Just tap on that and scroll down and let them know why your fucking streaks disappeared. So there's my snap streak disappeared. You have to tell them your requested information. So enter your mobile number, email, username, your friend's username as per the form. So I'll be censoring some information of my friend's username and my phone number. So here we go. This is how you fill your form. Just fill it correct information. Your username of your friend must be in correct letters. After all this procedure, just when did you start having this issue? Of course, today. Enter the exact number of streaks which you are having with your friend and type any sarcastic answer just like this. So let's hit it. I'll just check my information if it's correct. After cross-checking your information, fill the form and head over to the captcha below. Select the appropriate images. Here it's requesting me to select the images of a tractor, so I'm selecting that. And here we go. It'll say your message has been sent, thank you, welcome. We'll hit back, and we'll check if our streak has been restored. Big shout out to my friend Rina Daniel who broke streak with me, so this video was possible. We are just refreshing our Snapchat to see if streak came. So abracadabra, and here you go, you have your streaks back. It's 161. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the good work I do on this channel. Peace.